Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to use the front and rear wipers of a Hyundai with a ccNC system. Specifically, I am in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson Preferred Trend. That is my personal car. So if you see here, we have the toggle for the front and rear wipers. When you do like this, you see that the screen changed in auto. Auto means that you are going to use the rain sensor and the car will activate the wipers, and in auto you can regulate the level as you see. In the left side you see how increase the level, so with that one you increase more as you see, or less. Then if you want to turn off the wipers, and then if you put low, that is low speed as you see, and then this is for high speed. And then for the rear one, you do like this, and you see rear wiper, you have low and then high, and then turn off. So for push water for the windshield, for the front one, do like this, you see, and then for the rear one, do like this, and if you see here, you see the rear wipers. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.